Hello and welcome to CAD MANIAC. In this AutoCAD 3D tutorial for beginners series, we will learn how we can create this 3D model using Autodesk AutoCAD 2025 version. And this is the 36th part of this AutoCAD 3D tutorial for beginners series. So we have created two viewports. In one of the viewport, we have attached the image for our reference. And in the other one, we have created this 3D model. And we are into southeast isometric view. You can change the view from here. And we are into 3D modeling workspace. So you can switch to 3D modeling if you are into drafting and annotation. So we will create this front view first. So first I'll set the UCS to front. Now I'll create this rectangle. So type REC and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Click on dimension in the command line or type D and press enter. Specify the length as 82. Press enter. Specify the width as 18. Press enter again. And then just left click to place the rectangle. Now I'll create these two circles. So type C and press enter. This length is 90. So I'll take an extension upwards from the midpoint snap as shown. Type 90 and press enter. Specify the radius of the circle as 41 and press enter to create the circle. Repeat circle command by just right clicking. Click at the center snap. Specify the radius as 26 and press enter. Now type L and press enter. Come to this midpoint snap. Take an extension of 25.5 units towards right as shown. And then create a line as shown. I'll trim this part. So type TR and press enter. Just select it to trim. Right click to exit. Now I can mirror this line towards that side, or else I can copy as well. So I'll select the line, type CO and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Ortho is on, so I'll move it towards this side and type 51 and press enter. Right click to exit. Now this length is 42 from this center to this center, and this radius is 15. So the total height is 57. So I'll take line command, type L and press enter. Come to the center snap. Take an extension of 57 units upwards as shown. Move the cursor towards right. This is 60. So type 30 and press enter. Then just click as shown. Right click to exit. Repeat line command. Come to this point. Take an extension of 1.5 units. Press enter. As this is 3. Then click somewhere here as shown. Then right click to exit. Now I'll trim a few lines. So type TR and press enter. Select the lines as shown to trim. Right click to exit. Now select all the 3 lines. Type MI and press enter. Click at this center snap and draw a vertical line as shown and press enter to mirror the 3 lines in this side as well. Now I'll trim this part. So type TR and press enter. Trim these lines as shown. Right click to exit. Now I can select the lines and type J and press enter to join these. Now I'll take presspull command to convert the 2D model into 3D. AutoCAD 2D to 3D conversion we will see in a moment. So to take presspull command, we can either click on it or type PRES and press enter. Click inside this rectangle. This is 128, so I'll move it backwards and type 64 and press enter. Then I'll click inside this boundary. This is 15. Move it backwards, type 15 and press enter. Click inside this, backwards 24 and press enter. This is 15. So I'll select it. Click on multiple or type M and press enter. Click inside this boundary, press enter. Move it backwards, type 15 and press enter. Now I'll mirror it to the front side. So I'll select all of these, type 3D-MI and press enter. We will 3D mirror this part. I'll click at this point. We will mirror this with respect to XY plane. So I'll click towards X once and towards Y axis once and press enter. Now I'll union this part. So type UNI and press enter. Select it completely, press enter. Now I'll erase the 2D lines. So I'll select it like this. Press shift and then left click on the 3D model so that this is deselected and all the 2D lines are selected. Now I'll click on erase tool to erase all of these. Now this radius is 15. So we will use fillet command, fillet edge command to be precise. So I'll type FIL. I'll take fillet edge from this drop down. I'll select these edges. Click on radius, type 15 and press enter. Press enter again, once more. Okay, we have to do it again. Repeat fillet edge by just right clicking. Select this edge and press enter twice. Okay, this is done. This is 13.5 So I'll first set the UCS to right as this is the right side of the 3D model. So click on right from here. You can see the UCS is aligned to the right side of the 3D model. Now we will use cylinder command. So type CYL and press enter. Click at this center. Click on diameter in the command line. Specify the diameter as 13.5. Press enter. And click somewhere here in this side. Repeat cylinder command. This is 48. So from this quadrant, I'll take an extension to this side by 24 units. This is 5/6. So I'll specify the radius as 3. Press enter. Click somewhere here in this side. Now I'll subtract the 2 cylinders from this part. So type SUB and press enter. Select the 3D model. Press enter. Then select the 2 cylinders and then press enter to create the cutouts. Next we will create these slots. So we will use polyline command for this. First we have to set the UCS to top or world. Now to take polyline command, type PL and press enter. This is 90. So this distance is 38 by 2, that is 19. So from this midpoint snap, take an extension as shown of 19 units towards positive x-axis. Type 6 and press enter. Click on arc in the command line. Specify the diameter of the arc as 8. Press enter. Click on line in the command line. Specify the line as 12. Press enter. Again click on arc in the command line. Specify the diameter of the arc as 8. Press enter. Click on line in the command line. Then complete this loop. Right click to exit. Then select this polyline. Click on extrude tool or type EXT and press enter. And extrude it downwards as shown. Then select this part. Type CO and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Move the cursor towards y-axis. Then specify the distance as 90 and press enter. Right click to exit. Now I'll subtract these two parts from the 3D model. So type SUB and press enter. Select this part, press enter. Then select these two parts and press enter again. So this slot is done. Now only the fillet is remaining. So we will take fillet edge command. So type FIL. Click on fillet edge. This is R6. So I'll select the edges first. Click on radius in the command line. Specify the radius as 6. Press enter, enter and enter. And this is R4. So repeat fillet edge command. Select the edges like this. Click on radius. Specify the radius as 4. Press enter, enter and enter. So this is done. Now we have to fillet these edges. This is not mentioned. We will take the radius as 2. So we will repeat fillet edge command. Now I'll select the edges. Click on radius in the command line, type 2 and press enter thrice. Okay, we will select it again. Click on radius, type 2 and press enter thrice. So this is done. You have to create this site. This is creating some problem as we have wrongly created this fillet. So be careful while creating the fillet. We are almost done. So I'll leave the tutorial here. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.